and it's a magnificent Monday. Another day in paradise in beautiful Las Vegas. And we have more than 2 months of inventory. Thank you, dear. You gave me my coffee. Thank you. 2 months of inventory. I don't know when we've had more than 2 months of inventory. I'd have to look back, but it's been a while because I can't remember that. Make sure everybody can hear me. My little speakers have been going haywire lately. So give me 1 second, quick second here. Ruthie Rocks. Ruthie Rocks, Ruthie Rocks. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? And yes, you can. Okay. All righty. So you all listed 143 homes over the weekend. Congratulations. And whoops. I have to go back on there. So anyway, we have 2,492 homes that are 485,000 and under. And having that many right in the meat of the market, I think is excellent. And Jimmy, we're here. He'd tell me in a heartbeat. I know it's a little bit more, a little bit less than 25%, but it's 39% of all the single family homes. So that, I guess, is the important statistic here. Almost 40%. There's Jimmy. I knew he was coming. Jimmy. Jimmy. I know we're all running this morning. I don't know what it is. The humidity. So anyway, it's Jimmy just saying, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. I mean, when have we had 2 months of inventory? We are more than 2 months. We hit 69 days of inventory over the weekend. I can't.
The only thing surprising is how fast it switched. That's the only thing surprising. We knew it was going to switch.
Yes, we did. And we're, this is the 18th of July, and we're only selling 71 homes a day. So that has a lot to do with it. We were selling like 124, and now because of the inactivity for July in the sales, it's made the year-to-date sales down to 120 days. So yeah, last year we were doing 138 sales a day. So goodness, that's almost half, Jimmy. If we're doing 71 now, and we were doing 138 sales a day last year, do the math, right? That's
half, yeah.
50% less. Yes, that's amazing. So the inventory is one thing, everybody, but the fact that we're not doing the sales, that's the concern that I have. I mean, regardless of the inventory, if you all are making money, life is good. But we got a lot of inventory now, and we're not making as much money. So, Jimmy, I'd like your thoughts on that for a minute, if you have any.
Well, like I said, we've been predicting the shift, and we're not the only ones. I mean, a lot of people have been saying there's a shift coming, and is there a bubble, is there a crash or whatever? And as we've said, it's maybe not a crash, but certainly the shift is significant when you take that many buyers out of the market, affordability rates. You also take the lenders out of the ability to do refis, because you can't refi from a 5% to a 6%. That doesn't make sense. And the problem is, how far is this going to go? Because I don't think it's done yet. I talked to a seller yesterday, and she was very educated. She's a teacher. She teaches at a hospital for kids that are in the hospital. So she teaches everything from grades kindergarten all through 12th grade. She teaches everybody. And she is a reader, and she said she thought interest rates would be at 8% by the end of the year.
Wow. And that's what you think.
Yeah, I did say that. And if that's true, then that's going to knock some more affordability issues into the marketplace, or out of the marketplace, buyers out. And we're doing 71 sales a day.
Yes.
That could go to 50.
Yes, it could. Here's my only saving thought, my positive thought on that. As the prices decrease, it'll keep some people in the market.
True. Yeah, because they'll wonder how far down it's going to go. But I think it also keeps some people out of the market, because see how smart I was to wait. See how smart I was. Look at this. And what they don't realize is, even if prices go down $100,000, if rates go to 8%, the payment's twice as much.
Wow, that's a good stat. I haven't done those numbers yet. It's the cost of purchasing a home in the United States has increased 55% from last year, to your point.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, and that was as of May. and now the prices are going to start going down. So we will see, I'm all in on a home ownership, but this is the first time in 2 decades since the beginning of the pandemic, that it's been like this. So be interesting.
Well, the other thing that we've talked about this briefly is that Gen Z is coming. They're 25 and they're coming into the marketplace and they want a nice house and they'll find the money somehow to get it.
Yeah. Yes, they will. I'm sure they will. I'm absolutely sure they will.